I have met them. Finally, I have met them.
Start again, bro. Start again. मतलब मैंने नए sunglasses लिए और तुम
So guys, I have met my friends already, and one Namuna is here.
I was here.
The other one is here, and the other one is here. Sumaira Asawari. So right now we planned not taking the tram, not taking the bus. So we planned of walking 17 minutes towards the art and history museum. Art and history museum. सब लोग नहीं थकने वाले हैं, खाली फुकट का ये थकने वाली है.
I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you.
Now we are walking towards the Art and History Museum, but before we reach there, we might end up to visit one of the church over here. And one of my friends said that you can see the whole view. By the way, before we proceed, look at this side.
With me by my side.
If anyone is here in Geneva and you all want to read English novels or books, this is the place to be. Okay, I don't know how you pronounce it, Piot for English books. You can make a library card here and you can read books for free.
My soul might touch the ground. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone.
Makabarna, I don't know if this is what this is, but this is huge. This is huge. Like literally huge.
So before going to the Art and History Museum, we planned on stopping over here, St. Peter's Cathedral. So let's go. right behind me, but we could not do any videography in there. We could only take pictures. So we have taken pictures, we've covered, I think in a quick mode, we've covered just the first floor and the -1 floor, that is like the ground floor, and there is another level is up. So next time we will come, we'll try to visit it.
Yeah.
And video. We asked them as well, we requested them, but they did not agree. So it's fine. So let's see how it works. So guys, we finished the evening and we had really a great time. Before down to the stores, we found kurkure and hide and seek. We are leaving to go home now. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day to watching in the day. And subscribe, like and share. A lot of videos are going to come out. And bye bye.